A perfect example for like mother, like son. Being hurt just a little bit, but he looks so dramatic. Young boy has potential to be an actor.
She's really hurt. You're not hurt. Nothing is hurt.
Being so boring, he shows a sign and his dad understands immediately. Such a lovely moment.
No bite.
Couldn't hold his dad's hand in his mouth. He instantly sulks with him.
Hey. 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 Hey.
What's up, dude?
Why are you sitting like... What is it?
He just woke up from a nightmare, so his parents will gently pet him. Grandpa is teaching his child how to ask when he needs to go to the toilet.
Sometimes it feels like you and me against the world.
He seems to be a naughty boy, but it can't prevent his dad from loving him.
And walk away.
Even the rain can't stop this boy from having fun with his homie. Realizing each other, they just can't hold themselves back and hug as tight as possible. Never be shy to enjoy any service is definitely his life's motto. The truth is, the allure of food never wears off on a puppy.
Don't forget. Good boy.
The experience of participating in professional competition is easy when you've got a pet as an expert with playing with balls.
Dad's in here. Come here.
Humans' abduction worries never come when your detective can easily recognize your voice. This dog needs to be thanked for making us realize that our own happiness should come first. Saying no to any insecurities must have been this boy's advice. The smile of humans will have to work continuously when around the pets. Love is when someone's presence is enough to make us happy, and he only needs 1 second to fill her happiness. The fun of the conversation is not in the content, but in the person talking to you just like this. You will want to take care of the husky when his only concern is food. The quality of a comedian is that they can bring joy to humans without doing anything. Your party never becomes boring when dogs always know how to enjoy the game. Having the same language is not necessary when love is created by understanding. You need to shop a lot when your dog's love is expressed through the bite.
You know.
When you love dogs, accept that not all romance is sweet and clean.
Pony elbowy jerk.
Pets won't let you down with humans time-consuming.
Cricket.
Remember that without selfishness, there is no deep love.
What's happening?
What is that?
It seems that dogs always have a need to expand their friend list with an octopus. It doesn't matter where you go, it matters who you go with. A new way to wake your boy up, but I can't promise about his attitude.
My dog thinks Brooklyn's head is a headrest. The whole way here. You got a couple hours to go, Brooklyn, no more.
The boy tries so hard to beat the blanket that prevents he and his mum from cuddling. That cat and dog absolutely love him very much. He's just so confused about his dad mimicking his bark. Or it's just their love language. It's no surprise that poodles need to wear bikinis to the beach too. You can have complete confidence in your beauty when your face is loved like this.
Negra, ¿qué hiciste? Look at her.
This is when you leave your dad's mark on everything, but use it the wrong way. When you want to play on the slide, but the playground's too far from your house.
Are you a happy girl? Are you a happy girl?
The saying, actions can say it all, must be for this boy.